How to open the built-in Task Manager when it's replaced by Process Explorer. I want to open the built-in Task Manager with Process Explorer's Replace Task Manager option checked. I've tried running taskmanager.exe from the Run dialog. PE was opened instead. Creating a copy of taskmanager.exe in the same folder. Then run it. The built-in Task Manager was opened, but not working properly. Its window was blank. Creating a symbolic link using maclink of taskmanager.exe in the same folder. Then run it. PE was opened instead. Is there any other method I can try? Thanks.
There are two problems here. The way that Process Explorer takes over from Task Manager is by adding a registry value. hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/current version/image file execution options/taskmanager.exe/debugger. This means whenever you start an executable named taskmanager.exe, start whatever is specified in this value instead. So moving Task Manager to a different directory does not work. Renaming taskmanager.exe to something else seems to break something within Task Manager. That's why you see an empty window. That's a rather odd behavior. Normally it is no problem to rename an executable. The renamed Task Manager behaves rather odd. Even if started from a medium integrity level, it automatically runs in high integrity level and it cannot be killed even with local system privileges. So for now, I don't see a way to have Process Explorer as default Task Manager and be able to run Task Manager at the same time. The workaround is not too bad. In Process Explorer, untick Options, replace Task Manager, then run taskmanager.exe and tick Options, replace Task Manager again. Alternatively, you can create a batch file that removes that registry setting, starts Task Manager and puts the setting back in. The only problem with this batch is that you need to run it as an elevated administrator, so when creating a shortcut for it, specify to run it as an administrator. As a normal user you cannot change those registry settings.